XiaoYiChong XHT series oils are high-performance lubricants designed for extreme temperatures, exceeding the capabilities of conventional PFPE oils. These oils offer superior lubrication over a broad temperature range, extending lubrication intervals and machinery lifespan. While gradual evaporation may occur above 330 C, rail lubrication maintains optimal performance. XiaoYiChong PEP oils, or perfluoropolyliker PFAE, are non-reactive, non-flammable synthetic oils, suitable for chemical and oxygen services. These oils exhibit good metal compatibility with minimal corrosion, especially with molybdenum-containing metals, making XiaoYiChong XHT lubricants suitable for demanding industrial environments. Visit YIBUZZ.com for more XHT lubricants information and product purchase.